Hello, and this is number 9. And today's passage is from, or maybe extracted from, economics. तो भाई देखा जाए कॉमर्स वालों. Before that, of course, be smart, install and join for free resources, free IPMAT prep content and most active group of aspirants in India पे हैं हम लोग. Number 3 नहीं है, most है. ये point number 3 है by the way. And of course, we have introduced iCoins on iQuanta app, and you can make some money by liking or commenting or liking a comment itself. तो काफी सारा है यहाँ पे, स्टेक पे है, देख लो बेटा क्या क्या लपेट सकते हो. And then of course the batches for 27 and 28 for IP MAT. All right, please read, pause and read. Question number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. All right, now that you've read the passage and solved and gotten your answer, चलते हैं और डिस्कस करते हैं. Okay. Last year, America's biggest technology companies, including Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, spent about $450 billion on infrastructure, much of it to support artificial intelligence. So that is the future. So wahan pe, in fact, that is the present. They have invested a lot into artificial intelligence. 450 billion US dollars. This year, that figure is expected to rise dramatically. अच्छा, अब इतना यही बहुत ज़्यादा है, and it is expected to rise even more, making the AI investment boom one of the largest capital spending surges in history. Surges माने जो wave आई है, ऊपर को जा रहा है. Companies have borrowed hundreds of billions of dollars to finance chips, data centers, and power infrastructure. सब AI के लिए. If AI achieves its promised potential, this may prove one of history's most valuable investment decisions. Yet, अब counter आया कि भाई invest तो बहुत किया. Yet, investors remain cautious as the enormous spending has not yet produced returns that justify its scale. Invest बहुत किया है लेकिन has not yet produced returns. उतने returns अभी नहीं मिले हैं उस ratio में. A simple calculation illustrates the challenge. Challenge क्या है भाई? देखें. To recover current AI investment through identifiable AI income would require annual revenues of roughly 2.5 trillion US dollars, exceeding the combined revenues of today's major technology firms. Combined revenue of today's major technology firms is not able to surpass this. That is 2.5 trillion US dollars. Since relatively few consumers appear willing to pay for AI subscriptions, the real opportunity lies in selling AI services to businesses. Individuals इतना सब्सक्रिप्शंस नहीं ले रहे हैं, तो मेन बिजनेस कहां से आने वाला है? मेन बिजनेस आने वाला है फ्रॉम providing selling AI services to businesses. While AI could improve tasks ranging from financial modeling to education, revenues on such a scale remain distant, which means we don't see that there will be this sort of amount in terms of revenue in immediate or even near future. For AI income to expand substantially, businesses must both adopt AI more widely and integrate it more deeply into their operations. By adopt भी करना है and integrate भी करना है उनके operations में. अगर AI income increase करना चाहते हैं in some substantial manner. Adoption has spread rapidly. तो लोगों ने adopt तो कर लिया है. Within only a few years, roughly 1/5 of American firms and about 1/3 of British firms report using AI in at least some business functions. However, recent evidence suggests that this growth may be slowing. अच्छा, ये growth भी slow हो रहा है, adoption भी slow पड़ रहा है. Surveys also indicate that workplace AI usage has declined from its earlier peak, and workplace AI usage has also adoption कम हुआ, usage भी कम हो रहा है from the peak. Earlier peak raising questions about whether adoption alone can sustain the industry investment boom. और अब यहां पे एक मेजर सवाल आता है कि can adoption alone sustain the boom as far as AI industry is concerned? Even among firms that use AI, इंटेंसिव अडॉप्शन रिमेन्स अनकॉमन. अच्छा, एंड जो फर्म्स यूज कर भी रहे हैं तो वहां भी इंटेंसिव अडॉप्शन रिमेन्स अनकॉमन. वेरी फ्यू कंपनीज आर इंटेंसिवली अडॉप्टिंग एआई. अडॉप्ट तो कर ले रहे हैं बाकी सारे भी लोग, बट यूज शायद उतना नहीं हो रहा है. Surveys across Europe and North America show that many businesses rely on AI only for a small portion of their work. A very low percentage of their work is done through AI, while executives spend relatively little time using it. Executives spend relatively little time, again hardly any time, which means they don't use it. Many organizations are satisfied with free or inexpensive AI tools. और बहुत सारे तो हैं भैया जो जितना फ्री मिल रहा है उतने से हमारा काम चल जा रहा है, या सस्ते वाले टूल्स ले लेंगे. And median business spending on AI remains modest, which means spending on AI, people are still not buying, even businesses are not buying. That remains modest. कम ही है. Although a small number of firms invest heavily, they are exceptions rather than the rule. और कुछ firms तो हैं जो कि heavy investment में हैं AI में, but they are not too many in numbers. They are exceptions and not the general rule. AI revenues continue to grow rapidly, but still fall far short of the level needed to justify present investment. जितना पैसा आपने टेक एंड इंफ्रा में लगाया है उस हिसाब से रिटर्न्स अभी जस्टिफाई नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. Moreover, usage appears to be increasing faster than revenue, suggesting that companies may be competing for existing users rather than expanding the overall paying market. तो market expand नहीं हो रही है, companies बस एक दूसरे के consumers जो है वो यहां से वहां हड़प रही. That's it. If so, a significant share of today's investment may simply redistribute customers instead of creating lasting value. तो जो ग्रुप ऑफ जो अभी पूल ऑफ यूजर्स है वही कभी ए से ले रहा है एआई की सर्विसेज, कभी बी से, बट न्यू कस्टमर्स आर नॉट ज्वाइनिंग इन. ओके, वेदर द इन्वेस्टमेंट बूम अल्टीमेटली सक्सीड्स डिपेंड्स ऑन टू डेवलपमेंट्स. अब कौन से भाई दो डेवलपमेंट्स हैं? जब भी ऐसा लिस्ट हो, मेक श्योर यू नो बोथ ऑफ देम और व्हाटएवर. फर्स्ट एआई मस्ट डिलीवर सब्सटैंशियल प्रोडक्टिविटी. पहली चीज तो भाई कि एआई जो प्रॉमिस कर रहा है कि हम आपका काम आसान कर देंगे, प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज कर देंगे, जो भी कुछ प्रॉमिस कर रहा है, दैट शुड बी अचीवेबल. Substantial productivity gains that encourage businesses to invest more aggressively. At present, however, most executives report little measurable improvement in productivity. बहुत ज़्यादा productivity पे फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है as of the current scenario. Second, firms must reorganize themselves around AI by redesigning workflows, managing data more effectively, and restructuring their operations. यहाँ एक कीवर्ड दूसरा है, that is, the firms must reorganize themselves around AI by redesigning workflows, managing data more effectively, and restructuring their operations. कम से कम AI के हिसाब से तो ये सब स्ट्रक्चर बनाइए आप, so that AI can prove to be more productive. Historically, technological revolutions have required far greater investment in such organizational change than in हार्डवेयर इटसेल्फ. आप हार्डवेयर के इंफ्रा के मुकाबले जब तक आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चेंजेस नहीं आते, सो दैट हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर कैन बिकम इफेक्टिव, तब तक खास इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं आता प्रोडक्टिविटी में. येट देयर इज लिटिल एविडेंस दैट दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हैज बिगन ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल. और अभी लेकिन हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा एविडेंस नहीं है ये बोलने के लिए दैट दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हैज started on a large scale. Until businesses fundamentally reshape how they work, the full economic impact of AI is likely to remain unrealized. जब तक कंपनी फंडामेंटली अपने वर्क को रीऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करती है, जो वर्क फ्लो एंड डेटा मैनेजमेंट वगैरह का, तब तक द फुल इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट ऑफ AI is likely to remain unrealized. The full impact will not be reached. तो पैसेज था कि भाई एआई पे इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत किया गया है, उस तरह से रेवेन्यू जनरेट नहीं हो रहा है. एंड व्हाट इज टू बी डन टू डू दैट? Primarily, the organizations have to, the institutions, the organizations, the companies, they have to change at the organizational level. They have to reorganize their workflows and data management stuff. Question number 1. Which of the following best captures the central argument of the passage? ठीक है. AI investment has become excessively speculative. I don't think beta speculative है. Speculative is kind of guesswork. Because businesses have shown little willingness to purchase AI services. Investment तो करते जा रहे हैं, वहां कोई speculation नहीं है. B. The unprecedented scale of AI investment can be justified only if businesses move beyond merely adopting AI and fundamentally reorganize their operations around it. I think this one covers both the part. What? The unprecedented scale of AI investment. इसको कैसे justify करोगे? Only if businesses move beyond merely adopting. Adoption के beyond जाते हैं and fundamentally reorganize their operations around it. अगर आपने operations reorganize नहीं किए तो चांसेस हैं कि AI का जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है उसके जो रिटर्न्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो कभी फुलफिल नहीं होगी. The rapid spread of AI across businesses has already begun transforming organizational productivity, although financial returns remain delayed. The rapid spread has already begun. I don't think this was the main discussion of the passage. The main discussion was abhi start nahi hua hai, little has been done regarding the organizational transformation. It's not as if it has begun transforming. बहुत ही कम डेटा है हमारे पास उसको लेके. D. Investor concerns arise primarily because technology companies have expanded infra faster than consumer demand for AI subscription. Investor concerns इसलिए नहीं arise किए हैं क्योंकि उनका मेन बिजनेस तो वैसे भी कहां से आ रहा है? फ्रॉम द लार्ज बिजनेसेस, एक्सेप्ट द कंज्यूमर जो कि इंडिविजुअली सब्सक्राइब कर रहा हो. आई डोंट थिंक इसको हम रख सकते हैं. वी कैन कीप बी एज द आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. दैट इज द अनप्रेसिडेंटेड, जो पहले कभी नहीं हुआ. स्केल ऑफ एआई इन्वेस्टमेंट लिखा ना, हिस्ट्री में सबसे बड़े इन्वेस्टमेंट्स में होगा ये. सबसे बड़े में नहीं, इनफैक्ट सबसे बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रक्चर होगा हिस्ट्री में. It can be justified only if businesses move beyond merely adopting AI and fundamentally reorganize their operations around it. Very clearly stated in the last paragraph of the passage. तो central idea मिला कहां पे? Last में जाके जो argument था आपका, central argument. Which of the following can be most reasonably inferred from the author's discussion of firms' preference for free or inexpensive tools? Okay. So what can be inferred from the firm's preference for free or inexpensive tools? AI providers are likely to abandon enterprise customers in favor of consumer subscriptions in the near future. This is saying just the opposite of it. Consumer subscriptions तो हो ही नहीं रहे ना, तो of course the bigger business is coming from enterprise customers. Eliminated. B. Businesses generally view AI as an experimental technology whose practical usefulness has already been disproved. No, it's not as if their practical usefulness has been disproved. They don't have a system in place to fully utilize the AI capacities. ये है, तभी वो कह रहा है ना, reorganize. Eliminated. C. Companies are reluctant to adopt AI because the technology remains too technically complex for everyday business application. Complexity का भी discussion ऐसा नहीं हुआ है बेटा. Adoption का हुआ है, organization का हुआ है. D. Current patterns of AI usage suggest that widespread adoption alone may not generate the revenue required to justify present investment levels. Alright, तो adoption से काम नहीं चलेगा कि हाँ सर AI यूज करते हैं. It has to be intensive and the system has to be reorganized. We can go with D for Delhi. Next one. Which of the following assumptions most strongly underlies the author's claim that organizational transformation is essential for AI's long-term success? Why does the author say that organizational transformation is essential for AI's long-term success? Beta question assumption का है, तो obviously when you say something, what is the logic behind that? वो पूछा जाता हमसे. A. When you talk about assumptions. A. Technological tools create their greatest economic value only when accompanied by corresponding changes in organizational practices. Productivity improvements necessarily require businesses to replace a substantial proportion of their workforce. Beta, is there any discussion of replacement of the workforce? No. Workflow and data management improve kariye aap instead of replacing their workforce. See, hardware investment produces diminishing returns, okay? Because technological innovation eventually reaches a physical limit. I don't think there is any discussion about innovation reaching a physical limit. इस स्टेटमेंट के पीछे assumption क्या है? That is the question. D, firms that reorganize themselves generally outperform competitors regardless of the technologies they adopt. Again, टेक्नोलॉजी तो AI है, वहां पे आप यू कांट से दैट कुछ भी अडॉप्ट कर लेगा, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चेंज ले आएंगे तो सबको हरा देंगे. They have to work in tandem, which means they have to focus on investing in AI tools and also making their organization changes in their systems. So ये हटेगा बेटा. I think we can go with A. Technological tools create the greatest economic value only when accompanied by corresponding changes in the organizational practices. Number 4. Suppose new evidence showed that businesses significantly increased spending on AI subscriptions, but made almost no changes to organizational structures or work process. Which of the following would the author most likely conclude? अब वो कह रहा है suppose subscriptions तो बढ़ गए, but there are almost no changes. Then of course the full potential of the technology will not be reached. जो revenue के एंगल से अगर देखेंगे हम, अब देखते हैं बेटा. A. Productivity improvements would almost certainly follow as businesses become more familiar with AI. Productivity improvements would almost certainly follow. No, ये तो उल्टा बोल रहा है भाई. Until unless you have the organizational structure change, there is no guarantee of any productivity improvements. B. The investment boom would become fully justified because higher revenues would eliminate investor concerns. Higher revenue आएगा कहां से अगर आप organization changes लाते ही नहीं हो तो? Technology alone cannot bring in revenues. Eliminated. C. Revenue growth alone would not guarantee that AI ultimately delivers its full economic potential. And D. Organizational change would naturally occur once subscription spending crossed a critical threshold. Naturally occur nahi hai, it has to be done by the companies. It's not natural. I think we can hold C. क्या revenue है? Revenue growth alone. Subscription तो बढ़ गए, पैसे आ गए, but then will it deliver its full economic potential? No. Last line में साफ लिखा हुआ है that to deliver the full economic potential, we have to work from both the sides. Have more people subscribe to the technology and make changes to their organizational structure. So D, I think we go with C for cat. Number 5. The author's reference to historical technological revolutions primarily serves to बोला है कि normally अगर आप हिस्ट्री का बात करो तो पहले क्या होता था, एक लाइन वो हम पढ़ लेते हैं. Where was that history part? अच्छा, एक तो है कि दिस में प्रूव वन ऑफ हिस्ट्रीज मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. ओके, एंड द अदर स्टेटमेंट वाज वी हैड अ लाइन रिगार्डिंग ना कि पहले टेक्नोलॉजी में इन्वेस्टमेंट करते थे तो क्या होता था. हाँ, हिस्टोरिक, सॉरी, हेre's the line. Historically, technological revolutions have required far greater investment in such organizational change than in hardware itself. So more investments are required in organizational change. Okay. The author's reference to historical technological revolution primarily serves to A. Argue that successful technological change has traditionally depended on complementary organizational investment rather than hardware alone. I think इसको रोक सकते हैं यार. It says the same thing. Argue that successful technological change has traditionally depended on complementary organizational investment rather than hardware alone. In fact, more investment was to be done in the organizational changes. Demonstrate that previous technological revolutions generated returns more quickly. There is no comparison in terms of how quick the returns came in. C, suggests that businesses have historically underestimated the cost of purchasing new technologies. No, they have not said that the organizations earlier underestimated the costs. D, established that AI differs fundamentally from earlier technology innovations in both scale and economic impact. कहीं भी कंपैरिजन नहीं है किसी पिछले टेक्नोलॉजी से. साफ लिखा है कि सिर्फ हार्डवेयर में इन्वेस्ट करने से काम नहीं चलेगा. इनफैक्ट हिस्टोरिकली more was needed to be invested in organizational restructuring. So beta we can go with A. Number 6. Which of the following, if true, would most weaken the author's overall argument? An overall argument है कि invest more in organizational restructuring along with adopting AI. A. Technology companies reduce infrastructure spending after achieving greater efficiency in data center operations. Now out here there is no discussion of organizational structure beta, तो ये तो हटाते हैं. B, AI subscription prices fall sharply, leading to even wider adoption among small businesses. Prices fall sharply तो revenue decrease हो जाएगा भाई. C, most firms begin reporting substantial productivity gains from AI despite making only minimal changes to organizational structures. अगर प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ जाए बिना ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चेंजेस के तो हमारे ऑथर का पूरा आर्गुमेंट फेल हो जाता है. हु सेज दैट प्रोडक्टिविटी तभी मैक्सिमाइज होगी जब एडॉप्शन के साथ साथ आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग पे भी ध्यान देंगे. वो कह रहा है हमने ऐसा कुछ चेंजेस किए ही नहीं है, हमारा प्रॉफिट तो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो रही है. आई थिंक वी कैन होल्ड, बिकॉज डोंट फॉरगेट वी डोंट नीड टू सपोर्ट द ऑथर इन दिस क्वेश्चन, वी नीड टू weaken the author. Statement कमजोर करना है बेटा. C, D, consumers become increasingly willing to purchase premium AI subscriptions for personal use. ये भी सेंट्रल हमारा जो ओवरऑल आर्ग्यूमेंट था वो उससे मतलब नहीं रखता बेटा. वी गो विथ C. ये कहते हैं कि हमने ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चेंजेस किए ही नहीं है बट स्टिल हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो रही है. जबकि ऑथर कहता है प्रोडक्टिविटी तब तक इंक्रीज नहीं होगी जब तक आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर चेंजेस नहीं लाते हैं. ऑल राइट, सो प्लीज नीचे लिखो कितने सही हुए कितने गलत हुए और क्या मैंने ही कुछ गलत कर दिया हो. जस्ट इन केस डोंट लूज द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू क्रिटिसाइज मी. एंड इन द मीन टाइम इफ यू हैवंट येट प्लीज डाउनलोड द ऐप एंड मेक सम मनी फॉर योरसेल्फ. पढ़ना डिटेल्स यार, ठीक. एंड दीज आर द बैचेस वी आर रनिंग फॉर 27-28. टेक अ पिक, ज्वाइन, बाय.